Morning guys, welcome back to Jay's Journey. There's a question for today. Have you ever wondered, right, what's the most visited area in Turkey? It is called Grand Bazaar. Grand Bazaar is a 500-year-old market and it puts over 250k visitors to 500,000 visitors every single day. If you are counting it in a whole year, it's over 100 million people visiting it. It's crazy numbers. If you are comparing it in the Middle East, not even the highest tower in the world at Dubai or the pyramids can compare with it. Not to mention, it had easily outnumbered lots of attractions in Europe. It's a must-visit area if you are in Istanbul, in Turkey. And that's the mission for this video. We are going to visit Grand Bazaar. We will try our very best to cover the entire streets, entire floor of it. Let's proceed on. Right now we are near the entrance of the bazaar. It's so huge that it has over 60 streets and 4,000 shops. Even outside of the bazaar, right, is constantly expanding as lots of other shops are trying to abuse the traffic that bazaar is able to attract over. So they're setting out more shops, expanding outside of the street constantly. Okay, behold, now that we have passed the door, we have entered the Grand Bazaar officially. This entire area has been burned down like a lot of times. You will never believe it. Over 20 times in fact. And it can still rise from ashes. And that is what caused the characteristic that is to be burned. If you realize there's no wooden stuff here, everything is built in stones to stop the fire from burning again. This is one of the most unique points in this entire Golden Bazaar. Now, as we are looking around, strolling around, you realize there's a lot of designer brands around. But don't be fake by those, they are the real super fakes. All these are fake items and there's hierarchy here to all the grades. There's like C grades outside and in the center here is probably B or even A grades goods. Now I'm chilling in a cave with my coffee. There's not a lot of cave that has a coffee shop inside, so this is definitely one of the unique places to hang out in. This Grand Bazaar is really a magical place. It started with just textile and clothes trading and slowly it expanded to a lots of different needs into jewelries, carpets, leather goods and handcraft. Over the years, it's even expanded to a lot of other stuff like antiques, weapons, armor. Of course, you can't see those here already, but right now it changes with souvenirs for tourists, and there's also spices and fake branded goods that we have just spoken about. Definitely can't miss all the street foods that hang around, so I will definitely try them, but that might be for another video. Have you seen anything interesting in this Grand Bazaar that you would like to see or try? Don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel.